Positive Day, Gilibers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga Gilibers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so binalikan natin ngayon ang The Richest Man in Babylon. Ang book na napakaganda. One of the oldest books na about financial freedom na pwede nating bilhin. Okay? At pwede nating kapulutan ng aral. Alright? So, binalikan ko siya kanina since holiday today. Holiday po ngayon, okay? So, ano ba yung lessons na pwede nating matutunan at i-apply sa ating sarili? Sabi ko nga, hindi lang enough na natuto ka. Kailangan may action kang ginawa. So, actionan na natin yan, di ba? Alright, so there are 3 secrets of richest man in Babylon. So, if you want to know about the previous story and the previous lessons na na-discuss ko na po dito, and even other YouTubers, meron po silang mga na-discuss, you just go back, type mo lang, The Richest Man in Babylon, so may mga lalabas na mga lessons, right? So, inimay ko po yung isang, actually, 2 pages lang 2 pages lang, napakalaman. Ang dami mo nang pwedeng lessons na matutunan dito sa The Richest Man in Babylon. Okay? 3 secrets of Richest Man in Babylon. Okay? For the 2 pages lang. 2 pages lang po ang kinawanan ko. Take note. Hindi pa yung buo. Okay? Hindi pa. So, ganyan po kadaming lessons. Number 1 is, preceding accomplishments must be desired. So, that means, sa lahat ng mga delivers natin, ikaw, nanonood ka ngayon, bago magkaroon ng accomplishment sa buhay mo, kailangan meron mo ng desire. Right? Meron ka munang ginusto mo muna. Okay? So, hindi po pwede na, ayan. So, hindi po pwede, may mga nagme-message. So, hindi po pwede na bigla ka na lang nagtagumpay. Hindi pwede na bigla ka na lang yumaman. Isang araw nagising ka, mayaman ka na. Wow, congratulations kung nangyari yun, ha? Pero hindi po siya ganon. Sabi nga, di ba? Wala namang shortcut sa success. It's not overnight. And walang elevator. Di ba? So, kailangan meron kang desire. That's the first. I-desire mo muna. So ngayon, bago tayo magpatuloy, gusto ko mangako ka muna sa sarili mo. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, I want to become rich. I want to become successful. Gusto ko mabago yung buhay ko. Kung ikaw isang OFW nanonood ngayon, sabi mo sa sarili mo, gusto kong baguhin ang buhay ko para sa pamilya ko. Gusto kong baguhin yung nilalakbay na buhay namin. O kung ikaw nandito sa Pilipinas, I want to change my life. You can change your life. Start with a desire. That desire, ito yung sinasabi natin na reason Ito yung sinasabi natin yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng yung tenacity mo, 'di ba? So ito yung kahit na marami ng failure, marami ng mahirap na ilakbayin, sinasabi pa rin sa sarili mo, babangon pa rin ako. Because you have that desire. Meron kasing desire to change your life, alright? So yun yung sinasabi dito, the richest man in Babylon. Sa lahat ng nagtagumpay na tao, meron muna silang desire. If you're going to trace the history of all people, kaya nga maraming mayaman, di ba, nag-drop out sa college. Bill Gates, Zuckerberg, di ba? Ang daming nag-drop out sa college. Ty Lopez. Kasi mas gusto na nilang, yayaman na lang ako, di ba? Mag-negosyo na lang ako. I will just discover this, alright? So, why preceding accomplishment must be desired? Why desire? Because you're going to make a decision, di ba? So, gagawa ka ng decision mo. Didesisyonan mo yung sarili mo. Kanina lang nabasa ko sa FB, nobody else will decide for you, for your future, but yourself. Ikaw lang magdidesisyon yan eh. It's not your parents, it's not even your best friend ang magdi-decide sa'yo. Kahit araw-araw mo kasama yung best friend mo, ikaw pa rin magsasabi sa sarili mo na babaguhin ko na yung sarili ko. Babaguhin ko rin yung sarili ko. Okay? Then, you will have focus. That's the importance of having desire. You make a decision at magkakaroon ka ng focus pag may decision ka. Focus ka lang doon sa gustong mangyari sa buhay mo. Alam niyo sa buhay, ang daming distractions. Ang daming kaagaw eh. Sabi ko nga minsan sa mga teachers namin, alam niyo, ang hirap sa pagtuturo, hindi naman yung content eh. Dahil nga ituro ng ng content, di ba? Alam na natin yan eh, naaaral naman yan sa book, sa YouTube, naaaral yan, di ba? Ang kalaban natin sa pagtuturo, sabi ko sa mga teachers, yung mga distractors. Yung mga bagay sa paligid natin, marami tayong kaagaw sa estudyante, sa attention. So, ganun din sa dreams natin. Ang dami nating kaagaw. Ang daming stealers eh. Di ba? Ang daming umaagaw ng pangarap mo. Bisyo, umaagaw sa pangarap mo yan. Mga negative thoughts, negative friends, umaagaw sa pangarap mo yan. Ikaw mismo, sarili mo, minsan inaagaw mo yung pangarap mo eh. Di ba? When you started looking at your weaknesses, and when you started saying to yourself, I can't make it, it's impossible, dream stealer ka ng dream mo. Ikaw mismo, ini-steal mo yung dream mo. Di ba? So, number 1 is preceding accomplishment must be desire. So, you need to make a decision and you need to focus. This is the first. That's the secret. One of the secrets of the richest man in Babylon. You can be the richest person in your town, in your barangay, when you have this first step, when you started to have a desire. Nung ako po ay nakagraduate ng PhD, then I started doing some seminars. So sabi ko, okay na. Pero na-realize ko na I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. And when pag may kakwentuhan ako, sinasabi nila, binababasa ako na their age, doktor na sila, 40 plus, they are earning 6 digits. So sabi ko, ba't ako hindi? So mula nun, nag-set ako, sabi ko hindi pwede. Kailangan umabot ng minimum of 100,000 ang earnings ko, ang income ko a month. And now, more than that. After 6 months nangyari siya, and more than that, I'm receiving because of that desire and focus. Kanina, I was talking to my friend, Mama Rivi. Sabi niya, nabibilib naman ako talaga ako sa'yo. Sabi niya, parang, most of your spare time, talagang, nakalaan sa YouTube, sa pag-vlog. Sabi ko kasi meron akong desire, may target ako sa buhay. Kaya yung nakafocus ako, walang pwedeng lumisya nun eh, kahit na ano. Diba? So, I have this reason, I have this purpose, and I have this burning desire. Right? Second, secret. The second secret of richest man in Babylon is, for a man wish to be rich is of little purpose. So, it's directly coming from the book. So, yung tao na nagsasabi na gusto kong yumaman, ay imposible siya. Kasi, masyado naman general pag sinabi mong gusto mong yumaman. So, kailangan dito, i-specify. Like, specify your dream. Ano ba yung pangarap mo talaga? Gusto mo bang ma-promote? Gusto mo madagdagan ng 10,000 ang yung salary? So, it's not just a wish, alright? It's a specific desire. It's a specific dream goal na gusto mong gawin. That's the second secret. I remember when I was starting my YouTube channel, at siya, pakita ko lang po sa inyo ang aking. Yeah. This is my notebook, my YouTube. Dito po record. Alam nyo, sabi ko nga kay Ma'am Marigi, I was talking to her this morning. God, kunin mo yung inumin, yung pula. So, lahat po nung nag-start ako mag-YouTube, yan po siya, oh. I'm writing everything. I started January 23. Pero March, 1 year na po nung nag-start ako magsulat dito. January 23, 2018. So, yan. I'm earning $3 a day. I'm earning $5, $3, $2 a day. So, monitor natin siya hanggang sa naging $15, $18, $21. So, every day, $70. So, nag-target ako a month. Sabi ko, kailangan mag-increase. Kailangan ganito. So, meron akong target. You should write your target. So, dapat meron tayong target na tinatawag. Okay? So, ano yung gusto mo? Gusto mo yung negosyo mo ngayon? Gusto ko maunlad na negosyo, pero paano? Anong klaseng success ng business ang gusto mo? Dapat kasi ikaw mismo alam mo kung ano kung paanong pagyaman ang gusto mo, kung paanong success ang gusto mo sa negosyo mo, sa buhay mo. Magkano yung gusto mong i-add sa sweldo mo, sa income mo, sa negosyo mo, magkano yung profit na tina-target mo. Dapat meron ka nun. That's the secret of richest man in Babylon. Kailangan meron kang specific goal. Right? Meron kang specific goal na gustong puntahan sa sarili mo. Kung ikaw empleyado ngayon, you are earning 20,000. So siguro after a year, pwede mong gawin na siguro kailangan magdagdagan ng 5,000, so 25,000. That's enough. That's good. At least meron kang target. Kasi mahirap yung sabihin mo na lang isang araw, yayaman ako. Paano ka yayaman? By increasing your income, di ba? By starting your business. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo ngayon na, ano bang pwedeng gawin? Is number one, if you are earning like a certain figure, so pwede kang mag-add ng 10%, 20%. Okay? That's a desire. And that's your goal. Okay? Second, if you want to have your business, sabihin mo, I will start my own business. Mag-start ako ng online. Mag-start muna ako ng overrun, okay? So, kung gusto mo ng overrun, nandiyan si Ma'am Isabel and Ma'am Ann for the local branch, okay? So, kung gusto mo, ito muna yung sisimulan ko. Then eventually, di ba, madidiscover mo anong pwede mong gawin, di ba? It will expand, alright? So, and that's actually our point, number 3. Expanding it, okay? The third secret of the richest man in Babylon is train himself to secure a larger one. So, yun yung sinasabi natin na meron kang constant desire, okay? Constant goal, first in small sums, then in larger ones, as a man learns and become more capable. So, exactly as it is written in the book. So, yung sabihin, nag-start ka ng small. So, ito, yung sinabi ko kanina, mag-start ka ng small business that's earning 3,000 a month. Not bad, di ba? Then, after a year, gusto mo, or few months, dapat 5,000 na yung earning ng business ko. That's okay. Okay, then 7,000, something like that. Okay? So, you are improving yourself. Ulitin ko nga sinasabi, it's not about the money, it's about what you become during the process. Because during the process, you will discover that you are capable. Kaya mo pala. Kasi unless you're trying it, hindi mo sasabi sarili mo, kaya mong yumaman, kaya mong magtagumpay, kaya mong maging supervisor, kaya mong maging department head, kaya mong magkaroon ng business, kaya mo maging business owner, maging entrepreneur, kaya mo pala maging speaker, maging coach, di ba? Alright, so, ito yon yung you are training yourself constantly. Learn something new. Every day, dapat meron tayong learning time. Yun kasi nawawala sa atin eh. Yun nawawala sa tao. Sobrang busy. Sobrang busy sa ML, sobrang busy sa Game of Thrones, sobrang busy sa Avenger, sobrang busy sa lahat ng bagay. Nalilimutan na yung learning time. Na may learning time ka dapat. At least you have 1 hour. Better mo na kayo. So, dapat meron tayong learning time. Di ba? Meron kang 1 hour a day. Na nagbabasa ka, nanonood ka ng YouTube, na ipagkwento ka sa taong mas successful sa'yo. Gawin mo siyang learning time. Gawin mo siyang routine. And that's number 3. That's the secret. That's the secret of rich people. They are learning new things. Alright? And don't forget, just a reminder from me, don't forget, pag successful ka na, may pera ka na reach mo na yung target mo, 6-figure income, di ba? Millionaire ka na, multi-millionaire ka na, may established business ka na, marami ka na investment, you are rich. At tingin mo, okay na, Doc G, nagtagumpay na ako, eto na yung dinesire ko, nangyari na siya. Don't forget, number 1, return what is due for God. So, ano yung para kay Lord? Ibalik natin, 10%. If you want to give more, 20%. Don't forget. Kasi para sa Kanya naman talaga, di ba? Sa Kanya nga galing eh. You're just returning. Di ba? And don't forget also to help others. Your family. They are there waiting for you. Naghihintay sila sa tagumpay mo eh. Your friends, they are waiting for you. Your community, they are waiting for you. Yung mga colleagues mo, friends, everyone around you, they are waiting for your success. And they are even praying for you. Di ba? Paano mo na makalimutan ang pamilya mo na nandyan when you were down? Paano mo kalilimutan ang family mo na sumuporta sa'yo, na nag-cheer? Wala nang nag-cheer sa'yo. Sila na lang eh. Di ba? So don't forget them. And don't forget to solve the problem of your community. May naisip kang isang negosyo, may naisip kang isang idea, o maunlad ka na, isip ka na isang bagay, eto, pantulong ko sa community. Eto, it's an arm na pantulong ko dito sa barangay namin. Kaya kami tinatawag na CSR, di ba? Corporate Social Responsibility. Di ba, mga companies, meron yan eh, tumutulong. Don't forget that. Okay? Don't forget. And, don't forget your mission in life. Baka ang mission sa'yo ni Lord is to become a Bible study leader. Di ba? Sunday school teacher. Di ba? So, hindi natin alam. Or choir member, choir director, Sunday school director, kung ano yung mission na binigay sa ni Lord, kung ano yung ministry, don't forget that. And don't forget to be happy. Kanina lang, I was watching Tony Robbins. I will have a separate vlog for this, pero banggitin ko na. Sabi niya, success is different from fulfillment. Don't forget to decide to have a beautiful life whatever happens in your life. Nagtagumpay ka, hindi ka nagtagumpay, don't forget to have a beautiful life. It's a decision. Ano mang kinalalagyan mo ngayon sa buhay, always decide to be happy. And congratulations, nagtagumpay ka. So the more you can decide to be happy, the more na kaya mo maging masaya. Kasi nangyari yung gusto mo sa buhay eh. Diba? So the more that you can be happier. Alright? So, don't forget that. Don't forget these things. Okay? So, the 3 secrets of the richest man in Babylon. Have a decision. Alright? So, decide and have a specific goal. Specify mo ano talaga yung goal mo. And then, third, train yourself. Train yourself. Don't forget that. And don't forget, gawin yung mga mission mo sa buhay. Pagbabalik mo sa Panginoon. And don't forget self-fulfillment. Self-fulfillment. Sabi ko nga doon sa isang kinotes ko, OFW siya, kita kami somewhere. Sabi niya, Doc, I have enough. May investment na ako, everything, bahay. So, anong gagawin ko next? Ang gagawin mo next, sabi ko, gumawa ka na ng bagay na makapagpapasaya sa'yo. That's fulfillment. Something that will make you happy. Something that, you know, sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, I'm happy doing this. And that fulfills my life. Okay? Hindi lahat ng ginagawa natin dapat may kapalit na pera. Dapat may ginagawa ka na that will make you happier. That will make you smile. Diba? That will make you feel great to yourself and to your life. Right? So, kung paano maging successful and how to pagsabihin mo yung success and yung self-fulfillment, I can coach you. I can be your coach. Tawagan mo ako 0939-525-4311 or doon sa mga gusto magpa-advertise ng kanilang business, pwede mo rin ako message sa aking page, Dr. Gigi. Sunga. Okay, so this Saturday, nasa SM North tayo, and I am G Makati, I'll be there, May 4, Saturday, okay? So, see you there. Tatlo yung co-coach natin sa OFW, at isang teacher, okay? Master teacher, and isang empleyado doon din sa malapit sa Quezon City, okay? Alright, so see you there, and sa lahat naman gusto pang magpa-coach, every Saturday, regular schedule natin, except this Saturday sa Robinsons, Pampanga tayo, regular clinic hour natin yun. Or you can visit my home office dito sa Hermosa, mag-message ka lang sa akin. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!